Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Hakan from Webnus team. So one of our common requests from our developer team is to customize the booking form for Webnus calendar. So the base version of the plugin doesn't offer the stylizing of your booking form beyond reordering the fields or adding or removing them. So this is exactly where the Elementor Form Builder comes in. As the name suggests, using this add-on, you can easily create your custom fields and custom booking form for your particular niche and particular business. So stay with me to see how to exactly do that.
Once you've purchased and installed the add-on, you need to install the free version of Elementor plugin because that's the page builder we'll use to make our form. Let's activate our Form Builder add-on and get started. A new menu item has been added to the ME Calendar dashboard called Form Builder, as you can see. Click on Add New with Elementor to start building your custom booking form. We'll call it New Form and then click Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor page builder environment, a widget called Form Builder has been added. Let's add that widget to start customizing our booking form. Under Elements list, we have a new custom field that can be modified. We'll go over each menu field to give you a better picture. Clicking on field type opens a drop-down menu with different types of fields that can be added to your form. You've got date, text area, checkboxes, and everything you might need to create a great booking form. I want to create my own form which consists of age, gender, date, postal code, address, and an about text area to ask a question. I'll change my field type to text and name it age. Next, I'll create a duplicate of this field, but you can also click on Add Item. I'll change the new field to my gender field. We'll repeat this step for our date field as well, but for this one, we'll make sure to change the field type to date. So far, so good. I'll create two new field items for postal code and address. Lastly, a text area called About to finish the form. Our custom form is almost complete since we've been able to create a form that suits the needs of our specific event type. But there's still something missing. It doesn't look very good and there's too much space. Inside the settings for each field, we see three options: half width, third width, and single line. Each of these modifies the structure of our form. For example, half width cuts the booking field in half, and third width in a third. I want age, gender, and date to fit in as three fields right next to each other. To do this, I'll head to the settings for each field and enable the third width button. All three fields now fit snugly next to each other. Since our address and postal code are related, let's put them as two fields next to each other, so I'll enable half width. Our booking form already looks better than default, and we haven't even styled it. Just repositioned our fields to make the best use of space. Now let's add this custom booking form to our event page. First, hit Publish to save the booking form template. Next, head to the event you want to customize. In the booking menu, under the booking form tab, I forgot to refresh my page, sorry. Right, so now you have a new option added to this tab. Classic Form Builder is the default form included in the Mac Pro plugin. Elementor Form Builder is what we're looking for, so select it and choose the new form we just designed. That's all there is to. there's two. Just hit update on your event for the change to take effect. Let's refresh our event page to see our stylish custom event booking form built with the help of Elementor. As you can see, all the fields we've added are working as intended, and the booking form is also cleaner than what we previously had.
Thank you very much for staying with me until the end of the video. And don't forget to like the video if you liked it, and also ring that notification bell not to miss on any of our upcoming videos in the future. We are definitely looking into your feedback and also the ideas you have regarding our future videos of My Name is Calendar. So please do write them down below in the comment section so we can have new ideas for your questions about My Name is Calendar. And also we could improve our videos using your feedback. See you in the next video.